Attorney General Ken Paxton took the unusual move of posting an entire autopsy report on social media. The autopsy that brought Robert Roberson the death penalty in 2003 for the death of his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. Beating her so brutally that she ultimately died, the Attorney General wrote that Roberson was lawfully sentenced to death, and that a few legislators have grossly interfered with the justice system by disregarding the separation of powers outlined in the state constitution. They have created a constitutional crisis on behalf of a man who beat his 2-year-old daughter to death.
I would say the things have taken a very dark turn.
On Thursday, Gretchen Sween and Roberson's legal team issued a rebuttal of their own, accusing the Attorney General of at least 12 misrepresentations of the facts, saying that the state of Texas persistently refuses to acknowledge the truth in this case, that the state's crime theory is untethered to science and not even to the trial record, and that 2-year-old Nikki died of severe viral and bacterial pneumonia that progressed to sepsis and then septic shock.
But to see things resurface 20 years later that were so outrageous in their deception back in the day that they were not even put before a jury, now being thrown into a statement by the highest law enforcement officer in the state, this is shocking to me.
Tonight, Robert Roberson remains on death row in Livingston, Texas. Members of the Criminal Jurisprudence Committee still planning to interview him in person. Negotiations continue over how, when, and where that might happen, as the debate rages on modern social media over what he did or did not do 22 years ago. In Dallas, I'm Kevin Reese.